Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be making a spinach chickpea rice. It's easy to make, super cheap. You can spread it amongst everyone. So let's get into it. So to my food processor, I'm going to add a big old handful of spinach. Like if you could fit more, add more. And I think I did actually. I'm also going to add a big old handful of cilantro and a whole entire bulb of garlic. And you want to blitz this, and this is basically the base flavor for the rice. So next, you're going to rinse up your chickpeas. You can use whatever brand that's available to you. The chickpeas was from my Kroger. It was $1. And then I'm going to wash the rice, which is also $1 from Walmart. So that's $2 right there. The bag of spinach was $2.99 out of Walmart. But in some stores, you could get it even cheaper. So you want to wash your rice. I washed it about 3 times to make sure it was nice and clean. I always wash my rice. To this pot, I'm going to add some coconut oil. You can use butter, but I wanted to keep this also vegan in case anyone vegan watching, they can make this rice. So I'm using coconut oil. So you want to mix this up to toast up the chickpeas just quite a bit, just like this. And you also want to make sure you season it. Make sure you season your food. So I'm going to use this garlic herb seasoning on my chickpeas to get it nice and toasty. I'm also going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little salt and pepper. And that's pretty much it, because there's a lot of other flavors going on. Next, you want to add your rice, toast that up a bit right along with the chickpeas, just like this. And then we're going to add the spinach and the cilantro and the garlic mixture. You guys, when this stuff hit the pan, the smell of the cilantro, the spinach, and the garlic was just so immediate. And it just smells so good and so aromatic. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Like I said, it's super cheap to make. We're all going through it right now with the pandemic. And I know we don't all have it like that. So I decided to make some cheap rice. So then you want to add an entire bottle of water, just like I just did. Mix it up and allow it to cook until nice and tender, just like this. And this is what it looks like, you guys. You can eat it plain. You can eat it with some chicken. You can eat it however you want. I actually had this rice with a salad earlier for lunch because I knew I was going to eat meat for dinner, so I didn't want to be eating meat all day. So I had like a little bowl of this rice and just a simple salad on the side, and that's what I ate. So hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy to make, so simple, and super dirt cheap. So if you do, tag me, let me know what you think. Don't forget to drop me a like, a comment, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.